So I have Saturday morning silks, and these are just lovely because they're all going to be $19.99. They're all 100% silks. They're all woven. I'm just going to show them to you because they're really, really pretty. Like that one's reversible. This one looks very Hermes to me. It's got a stripe, and that stripe runs from selvage to selvage, and it is every 22 inches. So we're not cutting the yardage by it, just know and plan that it's like every 22 inches. You notice this side is darker, it's like a wine. It's not a royal blue, just kind of an ocean blue of the gold. It's very pretty, very Italian, I think, just really rich looking. But anyway, beautiful, beautiful weight, not see-through, gorgeous for just a blouse, just really beautiful pants. You could do really beautiful things. This next one is 100% silk. It is a little bit more sheer now. I'm hoping I can hold it up and you can see through it. It's a black background. It's got a taupe and a green, very pretty green on it. It is reversible. Both sides are pretty much the same. You know, see, so you can see there. Again, beautiful piece of fabric. This is a black, little tiny taupe flowers, sheer, not real sheer. Like if you put 2 layers, let me do that for you. So you can see, you can't even see through it. If you did double layers, it's just really beautiful. Or put a solid black, or wear a cami if you're doing a blouse, but beautiful scarf because both sides are the same. Very lovely. One side's a little lighter, but pretty close to the same, and they're just incredible. Just the drape is amazing on these. All right, so this one is a beautiful snake. It's a gold, kind of a goldish green color. Isn't that beautiful? That's a little olive color in there. And again, sheer. This one's sheer. Gorgeous scarf. Both sides are usable. Lovely. Just a lovely piece of silk. $19.99, you guys. This is all the spring colors, like every one of them. This is such a current piece. You've got your pinks, you've got your yellow, your light green, your blue. These are all the current colors for spring. It's really a very contemporary. The backside is lighter, so just FYI, but you could do 2 layers very easily if you want to do a scarf. But a blouse, I think a blouse would be just beautiful, like $6.23, $5.23, all of those would be lovely. Really beautiful blouse. And I was going to say, I saved the best to last. Not the best, but I love it. It's yellow. Yellow is so in right now. Yellow, black, it's a little floral, kind of a leafy floral. Both sides are usable. You can't really tell a lot of difference between the 2 sides, to be quite honest. So you could really do that. It's 100% silk. It is lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. You can see it's easy to do a blouse out of it. Very pretty. Just a beautiful, beautiful piece. So those are our Saturday silks, $19.99. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.